Hey, this is Chuck with Pro Eagle. Today we wanted to talk to you about our most popular jack, our 3-ton Kratos. Lift capacity on this jack is 3 tons, that's 6,000 pounds. The maximum height on this jack is 2 feet 4 inches with the supplied extension. All of our jacks come with an 8-inch extension, the extension bracket, and a built-in skid plate so it doesn't sink into soft dirt or sand. New for 2025, all of our 2 and 3 ton jacks will come with BF Goodrich KM3 tires. We offer a 2-year full replacement warranty on all of our jacks. After your warranty expires, we do offer parts and pieces for all of the jacks so you can keep your jack moving for a lifetime. This jack meets and exceeds all ASME standards. We recommend this jack be used for anything from a UTV all the way up to and through 3,500 vehicles. This is the ultimate jack for all of your off-road adventures. You can find Kratos or any of our other jacks on ProEagle.com or from any of your favorite off-road retailers.